What's going on, everyone? Chris Josek, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you're having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. As you can see, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. For today's tour, I'm going to be taking you through the Sweetwater. The Sweetwater is brought to you by William Ryan Homes here at Babcock Ranch in their sanctuary community. I'm going to go ahead and flip that camera around. I'm going to talk you guys through this one because I'm having trouble finding, cheesy stock music to put on these videos, and they actually don't have any music going on in this one. So you get to hear my wonderful voice throughout the entire video. And the Sweetwater is, by the way, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, 1,895 square feet. I really should look at getting Morgan Freeman to narrate these, but he is always busy. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, let you guys take the tour with me, and we'll check back in with you when the tour is over. Camera's flipped around. Let's zoom it out. I know, it's so professional. The quality is top-notch, but you guys are not here for that full-length feature film. We are not Hollywood, so we have to work with what we've got. Here we have bedroom number 1 for your guests. Plenty of natural light coming through here. Good size room. Looks like a full size bed. Got a little linen closet here. And we have guest bathroom number 1. Subway style tile. I don't know if that's a brushed nickel. Looks on the darker side. Standard vanity and toilet as well. We're going to come on into guest bedroom number 2. Basketball themed in here. You got that hoop right there over the bed. Hopefully no one wakes up and bonks their head on that. And then we also have a 0-step entry right there. Coming into the main living area. Here we are. Nice big kitchen island with the fake lemons. Very good. Or fake limes, sorry. 42-inch upper cabinetry according to this, which I knew it was 42 inches. So did you. You guys are smart. You know a lot of the product. Natural gas stove. Babcock Ranch has natural gas out here. So you do not have to worry about electric stove. Cooking on electric can be tricky and tough to get used to. Here's your little eat-in area in your kitchen. And we have our laundry room, little folding area there. 42-inch cabinets above for your storage. And we're going to drop down into the very echoey garage with that epoxy speckle floor. Coming back in the house, give you a little shot of the living area. Here's a formal dining room for you. Perfect for entertaining and those holidays, maybe some game nights. And a little shot of, whoa, as I almost fall over, living area. Tripping over my own 2 feet here, guys. And there's me. You've seen me before, you know who I am. Nice living area. And I'm going to try to find more music. I just don't know how to download it onto my phone without copyright violations and other stuff. Here we have another bedroom, so bedroom number 3. They've got this one sort of set up as a den and/or office, and we are here at Babcock Ranch. We have the pool bath, which has a walk-in shower only. Take you out to the pool area so your guests do not have to run through your house to get to the restroom. We're going to come over to the primary bedroom here. Ooh, shoulders are getting tired from holding the phone like this. I filmed a lot of houses today for the channel. Do me a favor, if you're still with me, hit that like button and also that subscribe button. I want to get more subscribers. I'm just going to come right out and say it. Not trying to beg, but if you could throw me a subscribe, that would be great. And here we have your large walk-in shower. With one head, I would have probably added a second, but that's just me. Here's me again with the dual sinks and walk-in closet. All right, let's go out back to the beautiful pool area. Oh, they got it locked. Let's pop that open. There we go. Here we have our under truss lanai with our nice waterfall and pool with the two sun decks here. I'm going to send this to my client because he's looking to put a pool into his new purchase. I released that video a little earlier. It was the one in Naples. Not sure when I'm putting this one out. I'll link it in the description box below if you're looking for acreage in Naples. Beautiful pool area. I like it. I like it a lot. There we go. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video. I'll give you one more final look at that pool. If you have any questions on this model or any of the other models here at the Sanctuary, brought to you by William Ryan Homes, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is somewhere on the screen. And if you want to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, I will not stop you. All the specs for this model will be down in that description box below. If you're tired of your cold, rainy, windy, snowy state, come on down, give Southwest Florida living a try. I am Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you on the next video.